keep in same position.
You know, I want him feel pressure. Because I play, he play. He can play with anybody, anytime. But I want to show him a little bit like pressure, you understand? Pressure. Scramble after scramble, scramble after scramble. And I put him in my position.
But you know what interesting? Many guys stop. You do never stop. You keep on. You're not brother. You're real one.
But he feel.
I feel psychologically too. I feel
All my life I feel psychologically I can't want to give up. He don't give you a tap. He don't tap you. He keep going. Sometimes you tap, reset, start.
Mentally smash.
Has anyone ever done that to you? The last time?
With me now.
Maybe when you were a kid?
You know, since when I was 18, 19, I always was against high-level guys.
Yeah.
Because in my gym I have always high-level guys with who I grew up.
Brother,
But the ground game,
So they're always...
brother, I know him 12 years. This is true. I never see somebody pass his guard or tap him.
sometimes in gym I just come, change clothes. Sometimes we go 1.5 hours non-stop. 120, 110, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, more than 1 hour, non-stop. Maybe changing 4 or 5 opponents. 10-15 minutes, another guy. 10-15 minutes, another
You keep going.
I keep going. I used to it like long time.
And what happens to you mentally there?
Mentally, in my mind, I was like thinking how somebody can make me tired.
Oh, so you wanted to go on...
Keep going all my life. Keep going.
You know,
keep going.
you know Dan Gable, the wrestler? Yeah, he always said that in practice he wanted to go until he quits. He never got there. He kept trying.
That's why the best. He is Olympic
champion. Yeah.
I just come back from training camp. I have training camp in Dubai. I have 25 people. They know every day I go morning and night, and all champions, big names. You know.
How do you feel?
I love it. No, my body is very good. My body feel very good. Sometime when I travel for 1 week, I feel so bad because I can only run and lift because there is no sparring partner. And I miss this so much.
I could tell you still love it. I can feel it.
No, I love it. Awesome. I love it. Now I'm gonna go with this one. Be careful with this. He каждый раз это даешь. Be careful, hey.
Pressure.
I know it's a lot of pressure, but it's a huge honor, man.
I'll just say one thing. This witness. When I go with him, he don't let me get up. I'm all the time in this position.
When I shrink.
Here.
Oh, like
Here. Because if you make escape here, you will play here. Escape?
Yeah. No way, man. He's not a small guy anymore.
No, he feel like 280 pounds.
It's incredible, man.
That's shooting around with Michael Jordan.
It's shooting with Michael Jordan, yeah. It's like one-on-one basketball at night with Michael Jordan.
Yeah, in the YMCA.
Yeah, in the YMCA.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Good job. Tomorrow. Work tomorrow.